Hello, my friends. So in today's video, I wanted to show you our Womple box. Womple box is a monthly subscription box for kids, and it is geography based. So you get a different country each month with hands-on crafts and activities, and it's super exciting. So let's jump right in and see what we've got. All right, so I'm guessing these are for our craft. We always get a keychain. My kids love these. And the keychain goes along with, the country. We've got little markers here for the craft. I'm guessing these are for the craft. These are clearly for the craft. Okay, so we're going to make a shark automaton. Ooh, that's pretty cool. All right, so where are we going this month? Nicaragua. We have Volcano Island. I also forgot to mention it comes with these amazing books. These have like a Geronimo Stilton type feel. In the books too, there's always some sort of food represented, which I love that. And if you want to make the food, there's usually the recipe too. We've got our postcard and some writing paper. This is really fun to have your kids write about what they learned and send it to Grandma and Grandpa. We've got some stickers and an envelope. And this is our second craft, a blue morpho. Create your own flying butterfly. These booklets have step-by-step directions. And then it also gives you an additional project if you want to go even farther. And then this booklet tells you all about the country and has a map. So here we have a map, and it talks about cross-section and the topographic map, so you can learn map skills too. And on this side, here we have a recipe. My kids love making the recipes. And then information about the country, the continent, population, the language, all of that. So these boxes are super fun. We really love them. We love learning about a different country each month. We read these books during our bedtime reading time. And what I usually do, since I have two kids who really enjoy these boxes, is I just let them each do one craft. And then we bake the recipe all together. So I hope that was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll put a link down below where you can get it, and I'll link my playlist so you can see previous Womple boxes as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day.